Today we're going to talk about a homophone. Do you know what a homophone is?
It's the same word, but it's spelled different.
Okay, so it sounds the same, but it's spelled different. Good. What about the meaning of the word? Does it have the same meaning?
No.
No. So we're going to start by reading the book Dear and Dear. And what do you notice about our title up here?
They're both the same word, but they're spelled different, and they have the different meaning.
Good. So they both sound the same, dear and dear. But when we're talking about dear, like in the picture, what do we say? What does this dear mean?
Like when you're sending a letter to somebody, like you say like dear mom or something.
Yeah. And what about this dear? D-E-E-A-R.
Animal.
Good. Very good. So when we're saying dear, like D-E-A-R, it's when we're writing a letter. But the D-E-E-R is we're talking about an animal. So we're going to read a couple pages, and I want you to help me identify the homophones. Okay, ready? So, dear, dear, I now live at the zoo. Wait until you hear what goes on over here. Love, Aunt, Aunt. So I'm looking at dear, dear again, and we already talked that they sound the same, but they're spelled differently and they have different meanings. Can you identify any other homophones?
Here, here, and aunt, aunt.
Very good. So let's look at this one. Wait until you hear what goes on. So this one's spelled H-E-A-R. You hear what? With your what?
Ears.
Very good. So wait until you hear with your ears. And then it says, what goes on over here? H-E-R-E.
Like over here, like if you were saying, like come here or something.
Like a place, right?
Yeah.
Good. Very good. Let's read the next page. Here we go. Let's look at this one. So now let's look for the homophones in this one. The monkey will tell you a tale as he hangs from his tail.
The tail is like a
So let's look at this first one. The monkey will tell you a tale. How's this one spelled?
T-A-L-E.
Good. And what do you think that means? He will tell you a tale.
Like a story.
Yeah, like a story. And let's look at the next one. Tail. T-A-I-L. What do you think that is?
The monkey has it, and it's by the bottom.
Yeah, the monkey has a tail. Very good. Excellent. All right. All right, let's look at this page. You want to read it for me?
Yeah.
Okay.
The toad was towed to the top of the seesaw so he could see the sea.
What do you notice here? Do we have any homophones?
Toad, and sea.
Very good. Let's look at the first toad. How is the first toad spelled?
It's like a frog.
It's a frog. T-O-A-D. It's like the frog. Good. What about the next one? T-O-W-E-D.
Like when your car gets towed.
Very good. It gets moved away or taken away. Yeah. All right. And then what other, do you see other homophones?
C and C.
Good. And the first C is S-E-E. Very good.
You see with your eyes.
Good. And what about S-E-A?
Like the ocean.
Like the ocean. Very good. Excellent. All right. So what we're going to do today is we're going to practice some of the common homophones that we can sometimes mix up when we're reading and when we're writing. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So now we're going to go over some of the common homophones. Okay? So the ones we have are to, and to. So when it's spelled T-O-O, it also is a synonym for also. If you're doing something you want to do it to, you also want to do that. When we have the word to, it's spelled T-W-O, it lets us know that it's the number 2, okay? And then finally, when we have T-O, this to is like if you're going someplace, you're going to a place, okay? So what we're going to do, I'm going to give you these sentence strips, and then I'm going to give you these Post-its, and I want you to place the Post-it to, the homophone to, on the right sentence strip, okay? All right, so you're going to use these Post-its to place it in the blank. So you're going to read the sentence, and you're going to read the sentence using the word to, but then you have to decide which to. Is it also, the number to, or like you're going to a place? All right, so let's read it.
Let's go to the ice cream shop.
Okay.
I think it's this one.
Why?
Because, like, you're going to a place.
Yeah, you're going to the ice cream place. So it's showing direction. Good. Place it right there. Excellent. Good job. All right, let's try the next one.
Do you want to scoops?
So what do you think? Which two?
This one.
Why? Why would you choose the TWO?
Because,
What is it asking us?
do you want to scoop?
What's it asking you?
How many?
Yeah, it's asking how many. So we're going to use the TWO because it's asking us for the number. Excellent. Good. All right, let's try the last one.
I love ice cream too.
Good. So what synonym could you use instead of the TOO? You could say, I love ice cream. Also, very good. So instead of using the TOO as to, you can try it with a synonym of also. Very good. I love ice cream too. Excellent. Good job.